This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, June the 18th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Still pretty much a zonal flow across the country. We have the remnants of what was once Tropical Storm Bill over Oklahoma and Arkansas. That'll be moving slowly into Missouri later on today. But that's going to keep a lot of the precipitation away from the state. We'll see mainly sunny skies across the state. Could see an early morning shower in our eastern counties. Otherwise, it should be partly to mostly sunny with highs today in the upper 70s to lower 80s. It'll be a little bit drier as well. The humidity will be a little bit lower. Friday will be about the same story. Partly to mostly sunny skies, maybe an increase in clouds later in the day. Bill is still, the remnants of Bill still to our south. That'll be moving through the Ohio River Valley. The next storm system is going to be approaching. That could give us some storms. One round late tomorrow night into Saturday morning, and then another round Saturday afternoon, evening into the overnight. And those storms could become strong to severe, maybe all modes of severe weather possible. We'll fine-tune that as we get closer. As we go into Father's Day, that storm is long gone to the east. Could see an early day shower in our eastern counties, and then it's gone. And then mainly sunny and highs around 80 at that time. Saturday, though, going back to that, will be fairly warm, 80s and lower 90s possible. But it won't be like that going into next week. Monday looks to be fairly dry. However, there is a frontal system in the area, and we can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. The chances are going to be about 20% at that. Maybe a bit better here as we move into Tuesday. You can see a disturbance moving across. With this front between the cooler air to the north and the heat building over the south, that's putting us in the focusing line for showers and thunderstorms. And you can see that very clearly here on Wednesday from about the northern Rockies through the central plains, through the state, and back into the Great Lakes and the mid-Atlantic. You can see that frontal system separating the hot air to the south from the cool weather to the north. And all depends on where that front sets up is where the showers will concentrate. And that's still fluid at this point, so it could be further north, further south. It's still up in the air. And here on Thursday, you can see a disturbance moving across the western Great Lakes. You can see the heat bubble over the south. But with these disturbances along this stationary type front, it's going to enhance the showers and thunderstorms. Timing is going to be key. When will they occur? It looks more like it'll be late night events at this point. But going into the extended period, it really is not changing a whole lot. The ridge is bumping back up to the north and west. Across the south and west, back into the Intermountain West, the flow is turning more out of the northwest. See a disturbance is going to be coming in, if this is right, here on the 29th. Could bring us maybe a shower or storm around here toward the end of the month, but really temperatures, if this holds true, should be right around 80 or so for a daytime high. Going into the end of the forecast on July the 3rd, we have a bit of a trough over the Great Lakes, northern plains, back into the north and east, the ridge over the west, kind of having an intrusion with a little bit of a system over the eastern Pacific. But you can still see showers and storms prevalent mainly across the south with the heat of the day. So not really anything organized, but it looks like we're going to be staying pretty seasonal around here and a little bit wet as well. Satellite image from last evening shows the remnants of Bill over Oklahoma that's slowly moving to the north and east. Complex of storms over the Black Hills. Quite a bit of cloudiness across the east and a little bit over the north and west. You'll see with the watch warning map as we bring that up. Watch warning map from last evening. Lots of flash flood issues across the Oklahoma, Texas, up into Missouri. Severe thunderstorm watch in the Black Hills. Excessive heat in the southwest and a couple of heat advisories in the south and east. Fairly quiet elsewhere across the country. KPF chart doesn't look very quiet. This is rainfall through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing maybe about an inch around here, but you get a thunderstorm that could get 1 inch in less than an hour, so some heavier totals are certainly possible.